Good morning, year four. It is Miss Markwell again. You're not seeing me today, but I am here to give you another maths lesson. And I hope you all had a lovely weekend, enjoyed the sun, and got up to lots of exciting things. This is our last week of decimals, and we are going to finish it off this week and then move on to a new topic in maths, which will be very exciting. Today, we're looking at rounding decimals to the nearest whole number. We have done rounding just numbers, but we're going to the nearest tenth and the nearest hundredth, but we are going to look at rounding decimals today. So listen carefully. First of all, let's look at this. I have got a number 4.3. I need to think which two whole numbers does this decimal lie between before I can round any number. So the decimal 4.3 lies between the whole numbers of 4 and the whole number of 5. Remember, decimals are not whole numbers. So 4.3 lies between the whole number of 4 and the whole number of 5. And here is 4.3 here. So that's the first step I go to whenever I think about rounding decimals. Think about what two whole numbers does the decimal lie between. Then I need to think when I'm going to round the number, which number is it closest to on the number line? We know when we round any number, if it is a 1, 2, 3, or 4, we round down, and if it is a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we round up. When we do decimals, we always look at the number in the tenths column, which is this column. In the tenth column, we have a 3, and we know if a number is 1, 2, 3, or 4, we round down. So we're going to round this 4.3 down to the nearest whole number, which is 4. You might like to draw a number line to help you do this. If so, that is no problem. On a number line, you can then clearly see that 4.3 is much closer to 4 than it is to 5. Okay, so here's another number, 2.4. First thing we do is think, what two whole numbers does 2.4 lie between? We know that 2.4 lies between the whole number of 2 and the whole number of 3. So that's the first thing I need to do. Then the next thing I do is I look at the tenths column and think, is my number below 5 or is it 5 or above? From our decimal, we can see that the tenth number is 4. So does that mean you have to round the number up or down? We round it down. So if we round 2.4 down to the nearest whole number, we round it down to the number 2. And from our number line, we can see that 2.4 is definitely closer to 2 than it is to 3. Right, the next one, we have 7.7. Now, I haven't got the whole numbers filled in, so I want you to think, what two whole numbers does 7.7 lie between? And that is right. 7.7 lies between the number 7 and the number 8. So we've got the first thing done. What is the next thing I need to do? I need to look at the tenths column and decide, is the tenths column 5 or above, or is it below 5? 7 is above 5, so that means we round the number 7.7 up to the nearest whole number, which is the number 8. And from our number line, you can see that 7.7 is closer to 8 than it is to 7. Now, I think this is the last one, and then I'm going to let you go and do your sheet. Here we have the number 6.9. Firstly, what two whole numbers does 6.9 lie between? 6.9 lies between the numbers 6 and the numbers 7. Those are the two numbers on either side of 6.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Then I need to think, which whole number is it closest to? What way am I going to round it? 9, the number in the tenths column, is above 5, so that means we round 6.9 up to the nearest whole number. And when we round 6.9 up, we get 7. And from our number line, we can see that 6.9 is closer to 7. So when you're rounding decimals, always think the first thing you do is think what two whole numbers are in between the or on either side of the decimal. And those two whole numbers will not be a decimal, they will just be a whole number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you think, in the tenths column, is my number in the tenths column 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? Or is it 1, 2, 3, or 4? If it is 1, 2, 3, or 4, you know you have to go down to the nearest whole number. And if it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we have to round it up to the nearest whole number. To help you do this, you might want to draw a number line, and then you can clearly see which number it is closest to. Or you might want to do it in your head by using your knowledge of rounding. So on Teams, there is a sheet which is based on number lines and rounding, and I want you to do the sheet and then spot check it. If you have any questions, write me a message on Teams and I'll get back to you. If you would like to do mastery, you can do mastery, and there's another PowerPoint there for you to watch just to reinforce your knowledge. And then that is maths finished for the day. So I hope you all have a lovely day. Keep working hard, and if you have any questions, please send me a message. Thank you. Bye.